Hi, this is Ian Smith. Myself and my wife Aileen have been coming to Gin's beginners classes on Thursday afternoon. This is a video I'm going to do to show you WordTheme or WordTheme Pro. They're apps which are free. I think Pro is a small charge, but I don't think there's any real advantage to Pro, which is a dictionary app available for Android. And the Android version has got more functions in it, or slightly different functions, and also a iOS version for iPhone or for tablets, etc. It's a dictionary, so you can download the pre-built dictionary for common languages, French, Spanish, etc. But for Turkish, they don't have an available one, but it's still a very handy tool because you can create your own dictionary. I'm just going to type in WordTheme to open up here to let you see it. So I've created this one from the lessons and notes that I've got so far. I've decided to set it up into two categories. Notes, which is kind of any of the notes that Gin's sent to explain how things work. So that's something you can just go in and read at any time. But the other section is the vocabulary. So the idea is inbuilt into the app, there's various tests and revision games you can do to revise or to learn. So I've split them up kind of into how the lessons went: alphabet, colours, days of the month, market foods, numbers, etc. So for instance, if I go into alphabet, you can see all of the words that Gin told us about. You can type in more. You can see ara, B. You can get it to pronounce it. You can edit it. You can add in additional text here if you need additional info, and I have got that in some things. But I think the real beauty is the revision games. So if I go into that to let you see, there's a number of different games, and they all work differently. So flashcards, for example, I can filter on the theme, so I can pick what I want to test me on. So it could be all the vocabulary, or if I just want to test, say, the alphabet, and then start.
Yemek masası.
So it's reading it out, and click on the question mark, and it tells me what it is. Click on the green tick.
Havuç.
Gives you the next one. So it's just a good this is the fairly easy version, just to remind yourself of what you've typed in.
Şempanze.
If I go back and try another one, find the translation. So it's still filtered on themes. It's still alphabet, so I'll just stick with that for an example. You can change all sorts of different things here. If I start,
Havuç.
so it gives me a chance to guess what it is. Well, I'll say carrot.
Vişne.
Vishne, sour cherry.
Üniforma. Pamuk.
So you get the idea of that type of game. So I'll go back again. Back to games list. The other one is find the word. Again, it's still filtered on alphabet. Van cat. So it's reading out the English word, except I've not spelt that properly. That should have
Van kedisi.
Van kedisi, rabbit.
Tavşan.
If I get something wrong, it shows it's wrong, and you get another chance to do it.
Dut.
So again, you're hearing the word, and you've got multiple choice. I'll go back again to the next game. Mixed letters. Again, we're still filtered on the alphabet theme only, but you could change the theme or have all of the words in your vocabulary. So up the top here, the translation is for cockerel. So I've got to find a letter, and I can't remember what it is. So let's see how we've got on. Right, so it's showing me where I'm wrong and how to correct it. So if I delete that, type it in.
Horoz.
Now I think because I've got this one wrong, it will give it to me at the end of the test to see if I remember it. So that's quite handy. Another one, Jackal. So I'll try and get this one right. I tried to get the last one right, but I forgot it.
Çakal.
That gives you it, and on to the next one. So again, it's quite a good little test for spelling and as well as pronunciation. So go back again, back to games page, write the word. So again, still filtered on alphabet here. Start. So pan, not one I remember. Okay, so one that I've got to try and remember. So I'll delete that. Try Tava, and again at the end of the quiz,
Tava.
I'm sure it'll give me that one again to try again. Duck or dick.
Ördek.
Good, so you get the idea with that as well. Back to the games page again. Right, spelling test, right? Another one. Filtering alphabet.
Bamya.
So this one, you can
Bamya. Bamya.
hear it, and then you try and type in what you hear. So that's wrong. I can click on the kind of the puzzled face to the left here, and I thought that's meant to. It's maybe just. There you go. Okra. It gives me the
Ceviz.
Ceviz. So I've got that one wrong again, so I can go in and correct it, and it can read it out
Ceviz.
and gives me the translation up here. So again, that's another game. Go back again, back to games page, find the translation. Again, we're still clicking on the alphabet.
Zebra.
And this one's reading it out, and you've got to try and guess.
Vatoz. Öküz. Zarf.
Okay, so that's. There's also, I think the last one here is a crosswords one. So again, we'll stay filtering on alphabet. And so this one, for example, I can figure out how it works. Ara is what I know that to be, but I can't figure out how to put it in the letter. I'll come back to that one. This is probably, here we go, type in here. So A-R-I, Ara. If I want to do this one, lobster, then you fill in lobster. So click the typewriter key up at the top here, and try and fill that in. So word to find is lobster, and I can't remember what that is. It's something. Okay, that was not right, but you get the idea. Just a cause. Right, that's it. So you can carry on and fill in your crossword. Maybe a bit more interesting than some tests. So I'll go back again. That's all of the games. And that's about it for this demo. I'll do another video on setting it up. And if anybody wants to know anything about it, you just need to ask me. Thank you. Bye.